Let's know benefits of 5S implementation. First benefit is increasing productivity, as it leads to waste reduction through systematic work systems. Second benefit is increasing quality, as you will have fewer human errors through visual controls and other implemented systems. Third benefit is improving equipment performance, as routine cleaning and inspections will prevent unscheduled breakdown. Fourth benefit is improving safety, as you start to reduce hazards through proper storage and organizing the workplace. Fifth benefit is making delivery on time, as you start to eliminate obstacles from your workflow. Sixth benefit is increasing morale of your employee.
Here we are finished our video. If you found our content is useful for you, please don't forget to make like for video, then share it and hit subscribe button. Then activate bell symbol to get updates.